You get a 10% raise on your salary. Then a few months later, there's a 10% company-wide pay cut. Are you back to where you started? It feels like you should be, but you're not. In fact, you've lost money. Let's break down why. This is the world of percentage increase and decrease, a piece of math that shows up everywhere, from a clearance sale to news about the economy. The key idea is that your original amount is always 100%. An increase takes you above that line. A decrease takes you below. There are two ways to solve these. Let's say a $50 bag is 20% off. The reliable two-step method: first, find the change. 20% of 50 is $10. Second, apply it. 50 minus 10 is $40. Easy. But the one-step multiplier method is faster. A 20% discount means you only pay 80% of the price. As a decimal, that's 0.8. Just multiply the original $50 by 0.8. Boom, $40. Now let's solve that salary mystery. You start at $500. The 10% raise adds $50, bringing you to $550. Now the crucial part. The 10% pay cut is calculated on your current salary of $550, not your original $500. 10% of $550 is $55. Take that away and you're left with $495. You're $5 poorer than when you began. The pay cut was worth more because it was based on a larger number. That's the golden rule. Percentage changes always apply to the most recent amount. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference, whether you're calculating a discount or tracking your savings.